नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, I welcome you again. Today we will discuss exercise on topic money. So let's see. First question number first. Complete the correlation. Primary function of money. First, primary function of money, medium of exchange. Primary function है medium of exchange. Secondary function, transfer of value. Actually answer is a secondary function, and secondary function of money is a transfer of value. Contingent function is an answer, basis of credit, सेकंडरी फंक्शन ऑफ मनी आणि स्टँडर्ड डिफर पेमेंट. या ठिकाणी कंटिजंट फंक्शन हे बेसिस ऑफ क्रेडिट आहे, कारण कमर्शियल बँक्स क्रिएट क्रेडिट मनी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देअर डिपॉझिट्स, मीन्स लिक्विड बेस फॉर क्रिएशन ऑफ अ क्रेडिट मनी. त्यानंतर आहे स्टँडर्ड डिफर पेमेंट, हे दिस इज अ सेकंडरी फंक्शन ऑफ मनी. देन कमोडिटी मनी शेल है और क्रेडिट मनी प्लास्टिक मनी है. एक्चुअली प्लास्टिक मनी इज द आंसर, इज द कोरिलेशन विथ द क्रेडिट मनी. डिविजिबिलिटी, स्मॉलर डिनोमेशन अँड पोर्टेबिलिटी, इझी टू कॅरी वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. डिविजिबिलिटी या ठिकाणी पैशाचे जे क्वालिटी ऑफ मनी आहे त्या क्वालिटी ऑफ मनीमध्ये इथे दिले पोर्टेबिलिटी, पैसे तुम्ही एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी सहज हस्तांतरित करू शकता. बार्टर सिस्टम, गुड्स, मॉडर्न इकॉनॉमी मनी, म्हणजे बार्टर सिस्टममध्ये वस्तूंची देवाणघेवाण केली जात होती आणि आधुनिक अर्थशास्त्रामध्ये पैशाची देवाणघेवाण केली जाते. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गिव्ह इकॉनॉमिक टर्म. या क्वेश्चनमध्ये तुम्हाला एक इकॉनॉमी द्यायची असते, की जे एक स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं आहे त्याचं उत्तर हे इकॉनॉमिक टर्म असणार आहे. द ॲक्ट ऑफ एक्सचेंजिंग गुड्स फॉर गुड्स, वस्तूच्या बदल्यात वस्तू. द आन्सर मीन्स इकॉनॉमिक टर्म आहे बार्टर सिस्टम. प्रोव्हिजन फॉर मेकिंग पेमेंट इन फ्युचर, मीन्स पेमेंट्स इन फ्युचर, भविष्य कालावधीमध्ये द्यावयाची देणी, त्याला डिफर पेमेंट असं म्हणतात. सिस्टम दॅट मेक्स यूज ऑफ करन्सी फॉर फॅसिलिटिंग पेमेंट्स, सो डिजिटल सिस्टम. क्रेडिट इन्स्ट्रुमेंट थ्रू विच बँक डिपॉझिट आर ट्रान्सफरेबल, सो चेक, मीन्स वी कॅन इझी money transfer one bank to another bank, one person to another banks via check. Monetary value stored, transferred and electronically by means of a computer, hard drive or server. Electronic money. The economic term is here electronic money, means mobile phone, on a mobile phone, then computer, then electronic tablet, smart card are example of electronic money. And electronic money is used for purchasing and transaction globally, so electronic money is a economic term here in a fifth statement. Money not accounted for in a bank or not disclosed to the government, so answer is a black money. In a black money, the concept of black money you have been studied in a previous video. So that black money means which receive in cash but not accounted for, on which tax is not paid on the government, that called is a black money. So here is a question number second is completed, given economic term. Next question, choose a correct option. Arranged in order of evaluation of money. First metallic money, animal money, metallic coin आणि commodity money. अरेंज करायच्या इव्हॅल्युएशन ऑफ मनीनुसार. तर फर्स्ट आहे बी मेटॅलिक मनी, देन आहे कमोडिटी मनी, ए आहे मेटॅलिक मनी आणि लास्ट आहे मेटॅलिक कॉइन. सो ऑप्शन बी इज अ राईट. बी, डी, ए अँड सी इज अ राईट ऑप्शन. देन arrange in the order of evaluation of money: plastic money, paper money, electronic money and credit money. So order, so first is a paper money, then credit money, then plastic money and then electronic money. So option B is a, option 1 is a right. Then question number 4th, identify and explain the concept from the given illustration. Vasant Seth provided coal from his shop to farmer in exchange for food grain. The food grain म्हणजे कोळशाच्या बदल्यात धान्य, दॅट्स अ बार्टर सिस्टम. आय हिअर द कन्सेप्ट इज अ बार्टर सिस्टम. Barter system means it exchange goods for goods, that called a barter system. So you can explain the concept is a barter system in a first statement. Second, Baban Rao deposit his money in a nationalized bank. So concept is a bank money. Charu used her debit card to purchase a shirt for her younger brother. So debit card is a plastic money. Credit card, debit card, master card are the types of a plastic money, and easy to use in transaction. So here a concept is a plastic money. Then Malti purchased a house through an agent, and the agent accepted the commission amount in cash but did not issue a receipt to her. So here a black money concept is a black money, and so you can explain here concept is a black money. To prevent misuse and fraudulent use of national currency, a note ban is imposed on its use of certain times. So demonetization, their concept is a demonetization. म्हणजे आपण तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी डिमॉनिटायझेशन आय थिंक तुम्ही पाहिलेलं असेल डिमॉनिटायझेशन, की 500 आणि 1000च्या नोटा 8 नोव्हेंबरला 2 वर्षापूर्वी बंद झालेलं होतं, डिमॉनिटाईज केलेलं होतं. पण दॅट इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ डिमॉनिटायझेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. State with reason when there you agree or disagree with the following statement. First, there are no difficulties in barter system. Yes, we are disagree with this statement because there are many difficulties that we learned, that you learned. Difficulties in barter system: lack of double coincidence of want, lack of common measure of value, difficulties in storage of good, indivisibility of certain goods, and problem of making deferred payment. There are many goods quality found in modern currency. Quality of money, this is a question. And quality of money: general acceptability, divisibility, durability, portability. These are the qualities of good qualities of money. So we agree with this statement. Next, many tasks are accomplished by money. So we agree. Money can be sent anywhere through the electronic means. Agree. Answer the following question on the basis of following information. See, the here is a one paragraph and two questions on this paragraph. So let's read out the paragraph. Ganesh traveled to the mail by bus. He gave the conductor 10 coin for the ticket. He purchased many commodity from the mall. At the billing counter, he gave his credit card for payment, but the billing clerk informed him that only debit card were accepted. Since Ganesh had forgotten his debit card at home, he offered to make payment by cash. So this is a paragraph. Let's see question. First question, identify the types of money and use the information. So types of money, first is a token coin, I think 10 rupees coin. Then he used credit card, debit card, debit card, and payment means payment by cash means paper money. So here are types of money that you found: token coin, paper money, and plastic money. Credit card and debit card are types of plastic money. Token coin and paper money are here. Then explain any two of them. या दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्या तरी एक तुम्हाला यातले शोधायचे आहेत कन्सेप्ट. म्हणजे यू कॅन एक्सप्लेन पेपर मनी या टोकन कॉइन, नो प्रॉब्लेम. सो हियर इज completed our exercise on the topic is money. I hope this video very helpful to you. Thank you for watching.